Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Out of Best. Today we are going to talk about something that honestly can make cleaning a whole lot easier. The Treelen broom and dustpan set. If you have ever been frustrated with a dusty broom or dustpan that doesn't quite do the job, you'll want to stick around for this. So let's take a quick look at what we have here. The set includes a broom with soft bristle and a dustpan that's got a unique built-in comb. But what really sets it apart from other broom and dustpan sets? Well, let me show you. So the broom, while it looks pretty standard, it has some seriously nice features. The bristles are a perfect balance of soft and stiff, meaning they grab dirt and dust without pushing it around. It's ideal for sweeping up crumbs, dirt, and even leaves if you're cleaning outside. And here is the real game changer. The dustpan, it has built-in comb along the edge, which help you clean the broom after you are done sweeping. It's super simple. Just run the comb across the broom and any dust or debris stuck in the bristle fall right off. No more fighting to get the dirt out of your broom. One of my favorite things about this broom and dustpan set is the handle. It's long enough that you don't have to bend down awkwardly, making it super comfortable to use no matter your height. And the material is strong, it's built to last. When you are done, the broom and dustpan clip together for easy storage. You can hang it up or just tuck it away in a closet. It's compact and doesn't take up much space. Another thing to note is how durable this set is. The broom bristles are tough but flexible, so they don't wear down quickly. The dustpan itself is rust resistant and made to last for a long time, even with regular use. Now let's see this in action. As you can see, the broom picks up dirt easily and the dustpan stays firmly in place thanks to its rubber lip. The best part is that it actually keeps all the dirt in the dustpan. No spills or dust escaping. All in all, the drill broom and dustpan set is one of the most convenient cleaning tool I have used in a while. It's lightweight, super durable, and the built-in comb makes cleaning the broom a total breeze. So, if you're looking for an easy way to keep your home clean without all the hassles, this set is definitely worth checking out. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. See you next time.